Hello, and welcome to Nurse 570, Translating Scholarship into Practice. My name is Dr. Linda Veltri, and I will be your faculty for this course. This course built upon prior knowledge of stats and evidence-based practice to help you develop the skills of analyzing, interpreting, and translating research findings into practice. Course assignments and activities are aimed at helping you to understand how evidence can be translated and integrated into various practice settings in a way that will affect change or improve healthcare outcomes. In this course, you will post to 6 forum discussion seminars, you will write 2 papers, and complete an evidence-based practice project poster, as well as a narrative reflection on how this course helped you to meet Essential 4, Translating and Integrating Scholarship into Practice, as described in AACM's Essentials of Master's Education in Nursing. This narrative reflection, along with your evidence-based practice poster, will be uploaded into your professional portfolio. The textbook that we will use in this course is called Translation of Evidence into Nursing by White and colleagues. In the first week of this course, you will note that you have assigned readings from this textbook. Chapter 1 is a review of evidence-based practice, which by now you're very, very familiar with. So please feel free just to skim or review the concepts in this chapter. Focus most of your attention on chapters 2 and 3, which presents information about change theory and models, as well as frameworks for translation. You will be demonstrating what you learned from the content in chapters 2 and 3 in your forum seminar discussions. And please note that forum posts are due on Thursdays by midnight. Be sure to visit the AHRQ website to learn more about how this organization is supporting translation of scholarship into practice. Feel free to submit any suggestions you may have for real-world delivery system research projects by following the instructions provided on the website. I wanted to talk next about the papers you will complete in this course. The first thing you will note is that paper number 1 and 2, as well as your signature assignment, build on one another. For example, in paper number 1, you'll identify a practice issue, develop a PICO question, explore how a nurse leader would assemble an interprofessional team, and develop a literature search strategy. In paper number 2, you will conduct a thorough search for and critically appraise evidence that will help you to answer your PICO question. You will then create a table of evidence and complete an evidence synthesis table. Following, all of this information that you've presented in paper number 1 and 2 will be used to form your evidence-based practice project poster, which is your signature assignment. Please be sure to review the course syllabus and to explore the documents that are posted in Beacon Learning under the Course Resource tab. I have several documents there that will be helpful to you to complete your assignments. Don't hesitate to contact me if I can be of any assistance to you or if questions arise. I look forward to a great course and moving you forward towards the practice of translating scholarship into nursing practice.